Hi, I'm Heidi, and you are watching ID Noble Art World tutorial. You are watching part 3 of the series. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2 where I covered the front and side views, please find a video link in the card and in the description. In this video, I'm covering the third quarter view. It might be confusing if you watch this one first, like I will say. Let's start. Two vertical lines, two lines, vertical and horizontal lines were drawn. Now I'm using the broom to get points to have a reasonable circle. Now divide the upper half circle into 3 parts, where the first quarter is drawn. And the lower first quarter is also drawn to get a square. Now from the center of the circle, draw a little curve. Now this is a sphere, so the straight line means the inner part, and another reason is to get the side circle, the inner circle, starting from the upper line to the bottom line. Now divide the inner circle into 2 equal parts. From the upper part, draw a little curve. Now those curves will represent the features positions. Now from the upper part of the middle line, which is the axis, I'm going to draw a curve. In mathematics is known as the longitude, to meet the lower middle line. Now divide this into 3 equal parts to get the line of the eyes. If you haven't watched the part 1 or part 2, mostly the part 1, you may not understand this, so I will advise you to watch the part 1 first before this, for better understanding. That is the brown. Now from this point, draw a parallel line. The line that will be parallel with the middle line, which is the axis. From the brown to the nose line, also extend that line. Get another line that will be equal to the brown and the mouth, to the brown to the mouth, to the nose rather, to get the chin. Now I'm labeling the hair, the brown, the mouth, and the chin. Now I'm starting with the ear. Like I said in the first part of the video, part 1 of the video, once you finish with the construction lines, they are meant to guide you. You can start putting your features I start with anyone that is okay by me. So I'm starting with the ear. In another video, you might see me starting with the eyes, depending the one that suits you. Now the chin. Now drawing the second brown. A video will be out later that will explain how to draw each feature. I'm drawing the nose. You can see where I'm picking the point. Drawing this down to be parallel with the middle line to know where the nose will extend, the end part of the nose. The right eye. Next, the left eye. Make sure the eye doesn't exceed the line of the eyes. Joining the forehead with the eyes, with the cheekbone. Next, the mouth. From the center of the eye, draw a parallel line to know where the end of the mouth will stop. The purpose for this series is to know how to place your features when you are drawing the real life portrait. I'm shading this part to represent the side of the head. Next is to draw the head. I'm making this part look rough because it's where the hair is located. You can shade if you like the neck. Now I'm using a pen to darken it. Using it for the features and not the construction lines. Next, head is drawing the part where the head is facing up. Now I'm drawing a circle. Now I'm planing this vertical horizontal line because I want to make the head to face up. So the axis or the middle line will be slanted a bit. Because it's facing up, I'm drawing a middle line to be slanted. But the same procedure, the same steps. Nothing has changed. The same procedure, dividing that into 3 parts to get a square. Whereby the upper part, the upper line of the square will represent the hair. And the lower part represents the nose. As you can see, nothing has changed, the same procedure. I erase that so that I can divide the inner circle into 2 equal parts. Because this is a sphere, so I'm making those lines curve a bit. The curved lines represent the outside part of the sphere, while the straight lines represents the innermost part of the sphere, just like a ball. So I'm extending this line to be parallel with the middle line, the axis. To get the position of the mouth, nose, and chin. As you can see, it's not different from the first one, the same procedure. Hair, brown, nose, mouth. Now, I'm starting with the ear. Since I have those construction lines settled, I can start with any of the feature. The jaw should exceed the circumference of the circle. Dividing this into 3 to get the line of the eyes. You can see those placements of the features are not different from the part 1, part 2. To make this video and this channel to grow, please subscribe, like and share. For encouragement, please comment. Now everything I'm drawing right now, those features, if you've watched 1 and 2, you will understand them. Even without saying anything, you will understand better. The ear, the neck, now I'm using a pen to darken it, to make it dark. Just the features only, not the construction lines. If you like this video and you want to help this channel to grow, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.